How are you all? We're glad you returned to help coin your cryptfix. I am Ripple Van Winkle, and I am your boss. If you're having a good day, hopefully it's over. It is now the weekend. There is a short trip planned for you. You could simply relax at home during your break from work. No more alarm clocks. Taking it easy and preparing for Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day. I know I will eat a lot while watching football. There's nothing wrong with that in the video. We're going to discuss cryptocurrency. We will, of course, discuss the markets and their potential recovery. Will we see a comeback soon? That's how it appears. We'll look at the XRP picture. TT Hennigan, too. We discussed Bitcoin in the first film. We will look at Bitcoin for no more than 30 to 45 seconds. Go to XRP, and then we'll talk about what I want to buy. That's correct. So why wait any longer? Sit back and relax. Let's take a Bitcoin. $93,969. It has dropped 7.92% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum ranks third, with $235, currently down 12.21% in USDT and USDC. XRP is the one that is pegged to the dollar. Yes, buddy. At $2.15, it is down 9.45%. However, if we look at what has happened in the last hour, we can see that many of the assets that were down the most are now green. Those who improve the fastest will require the most effort. This was created by XRP. We are going to listen to it. He provides a formula for why the dollar remains the world's reserve currency. The story begins to come together. Ripple stablecoin RLUSD went live this week. It says from the start that we need digital dollars with full reserves, similar to stablecoins, to become a major supply to the United States Ripple RLUSD and ensure that it is a digital dollar if it is to be a significant part of their internet currency. It sounds pretty accurate, doesn't it? Pay attention to this. He's interested in how the new rules will affect stablecoins. Currently, there is no US government law stating that dollar stablecoins are legal forms of electronic money. Once we have a financial system in place, every business, government agency, and bank in the world will be able to use it as digital cash collateral and to settle transactions. It becomes much easier for many people to use simultaneously. When asked if cryptocurrency poses a threat to the US dollar, he explained why he believes large-scale exports of stablecoins backed by the dollar would benefit the dollar's value. Many places around the world do not want the dollar to be their reserve currency. So first, we need digital dollars with full reserves, such as stable coins, so that we can begin sending a large number of them to the United States. And if the internet has a currency, it should be the digital dollar. Tether is currently the most valuable stable coin by market cap, with Circle's USDC in second place. PayPal and Ripple have recently released their own stable coins backed by dollars. This strengthens the market. That is a fascinating clip. Hey, Ethereum at 3,200 is a gift, according to a doctor. 3,000 simple math problems lead to 12,000 in Forex. It is not bad. Could the hype be topped? We could. Do you think Ethereum could be the next big thing? We know how this usually goes, right? Alternate coins include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe it's not such a bad idea. After all, there's something to think about. A lot of people in the XRP and Ethereum communities are upset about what happened, but we all know they got away with it. We know that it is currently the second most valuable cryptocurrency. I really believe it will be jumped. However, when we look at Ethereum, we can see that its value has dropped by nearly 20% in the past week. We know it'll go back up to 4,000. So perhaps a quick scalp on it. Tune in for more financial advice. The Bitcoin chart is displayed below. Let's tell you what's going on. We should be able to turn our current level of resistance into something useful. The next move we'll consider is 94,500. That is what you should do next to rise above Bitcoin. That is fighting back. It would be ideal if that could be reduced to 96K before we were back floating around the $100,000 mark as if nothing had happened. Let's see what today brings. This is an XRP chart. This bad boy has both support and resistance. Let us talk about them. We are either above support or currently sitting at support, which is correct. We're stuck in the middle of everything. We're now at 215. The next level of interest for XRP owners isn't too far away. It costs $2.20. When the US wakes up, it will be interesting to see if there are opportunities to buy on the dip or if people will simply sit back and wait for the price to fall further. But at $2.15, we need to reach 220 before we can target the 230 to 250 range, which has been a major issue for XRP. especially since this upper resistance area is between $2.71-2.71. Let me look at that key number now. This middle range will break. It shouldn't be that difficult to break. We've been cutting around that area for quite some time. As this will be broken through, we're going to return to this 272-cent line. That is when the fun begins. We'll return to the $3 range as soon as that is broken. Following that, we'll discuss the huge $4 to $8 spread. All of this is coming in 2025, people. I don't care what happens with XRP right now. I'd like it to end the year above $2. I do not want to return to the dollar area. I want us to turn down 96 and continue going up. Let's see what the markets do next. Prices are dropping slightly, but as I previously stated, we can pay more attention to the daily grind and what's happening. It's simply not worth it. It is not worth it. Most trustworthy cryptocurrency experts now believe that XRP is a good investment. The majority of people who use cryptocurrency on Twitter will be shocked in the coming months. In the coming months, that will be the first quarter of 2025, which begins in 11 days. The shock value is going to increase. It's not prepared for what's about to happen. With all of the news, partnerships, stablecoins, and Ripple vs. CC lawsuits, there is no reason not to be bullish on XRP. The blockchain office is leaving, and a new crypto office is taking over. The old crypto office has already stated that XRP should not be considered a security. The lawsuit will come to an end. The Trump administration will be the first to use cryptocurrency in the United States. They are looking into creating a digital dollar for the United States, which brings us back to the Jeremy O'Leary clip from the beginning of this video. There are many things going on. There's plenty of good news here. What an incredible thing. King discussed Ripple and XRP with Bitstamp's Ryan Remessine. You should look at where XRP came from. Do you have any ideas for where it will go in 2025? That is a great question. Of course, I should mention that I got into the crypto market through XRP back in the day. It was the first crypto product I encountered. It appeared that this would alter the way the world works. That's why I enjoy XRP so much. We're excited about XRP. Even though it wasn't stated in one of our statements, I believe XRP has been held back significantly. It's because of the SEC. That pressure will finally be lifted, and I believe XRP is in a very good position. We talked about the new stablecoin, which now has 50 million or more and a higher market value. I know that DeFi on top of XRP has a lot of people excited. I even saw some of the crazy joke coins that have been circulating on Solana and Ethereum. There were a few tweets about that. Do you know how that will affect the XRP market? So I believe that the legal cloud over XRP has lifted. This is obvious because the price has been performing exceptionally well.